see more toys here, and we got another tank. Bought it from Banggood, and I think I paid about $27 for it with free shipping. And it takes about I don't know, 3 weeks or so for you to get it. So ordered it and forgot about it, and it showed up. But anyways, I'm turning it into a tankaholic. But it's an RC tank. Now it said when I bought it it was a Heng long, but I don't see that anywhere on the box here. And let's let you look at the box. Got a little bit of damage from shipping. It smacked it there, and but I think the tank is okay. I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know. So, but we're always going to do an unboxing on this thing, and I don't know if that's upside down or not. But do an unboxing on it. It's a German Panzer tank, 1/26 scale. RC battle tank. Doesn't shoot, but it makes noises and stuff like that from what I understand. But for $27 you can't really beat it. So add to my tank collection. We're going to unbox this thing and see what's in it and how it runs. So stick around. Alright, let's we'll open this thing up here and check it out. Barrel. Battery operated, and it takes 6, 11, and 1.5 AA charge batteries. They're included for the tank. The controller takes 4 AA batteries that are not included. Or 126 special edition top tank models. High performance. Simulation of tank models is worth collecting. And here's the controller. Antenna. Obviously screws on it. Looks like something maybe broke here. Got a couple pieces of plastic. I don't know where those came from. And got a charger. Well, that's what it's from. Thing on the bottom here that holds it in. I gotta unscrew it. So anyways, we'll unscrew that thing. And also, what battery pack. Bottom one of these is stripped out, and the top one here, the screw is kind of stripped out, so it's a little tough to get. And get this baby out of here. Anyways, we got it off. And we'll pull the tank out, and see the underneath of it, on off switch, and it's a nice little tank. German King Panzer, I guess, what they said. It's a good one to add to the collection. So anyways, there's a manual around here somewhere, and the battery pack on the bottom. Set that down here. And that's where you put the batteries, the AA's in. So it came with them. So, unless they're inside of it. Maybe they're inside of it. We'll open that up and find out. Alright, hope you can see this okay. I'm going to open this up. Open just that way. There you go. And I guess that stays in there, and there's the batteries. So I guess we got to pull them out, check, make sure they're charged up, and looks like they're plastic wrapped. And fire this baby up, see what it looks like. Then you can see one of the retaining clips is still on here. It's the one that was busted off. This was that broken plastic that was in the box when I opened it up. So we're going to remove this thing if I can, and that's out of there. So come on, batteries are out of there, and these are the batteries that were in there, and they do have plastic around them. So we got to pull the plastic off, put them in here, and charge them up. And I think I've got an adapter for the US type adapter, but charge them up and charge this baby up and fire it up. Well, pretty much, I guess the bottom of the box is really your manual. Kind of tells you everything you need to know. It tells you, battery warning, don't recharge regular batteries, yada yada yada. It tells you the remote controller and all the little functions it does, and then how to put the 4 batteries in the remote controller, and then how to put this on and turn it on, and the charge box. Let's charge it up, and we'll put the batteries in the remote, and we'll get her fired up. And what we're going to do is these batteries come wrapped in plastic, so we're going to take the knife and just cut them open, plastic off, and remove the plastic. So we got the charging box. We're going to put these batteries in the charging box, plug the charger up, and I'll go find an adapter and plug this in, charge it up, see if it works. The battery's in the controller. Unscrew this little guy. And it takes 4 AA's. They don't come with it, you gotta supply them. A little screw back in. And you turn it on with the switch here. And we got a red light. Well, the little red light was still on, but I'm going to go ahead and try these out and see if they work. So I'll pull that out of there and get rid of it. And I will pull all these guys out. Easy to get them out of there. Okay. Out of there, and we'll get the tank. Push that back. Open it up. Okay, we're going to put in that back down, and put the little screw in there. Put that in, and it should be ready to go. Turn the controller on, get the red light, and let's turn the tank on. No sound. Alright, we got to figure out why the sound's not working. It's supposed to have battle music, what it says on the box, and it doesn't. So, it runs pretty good, and it shoots, and it rotates. Look, and it rotates around, not all the way, but what it's supposed to do. Kind of nice it made a shooting sound though, but oh, don't guess it does. I guess it's not right, or I'm not doing something right. If I find out, I'll post another video and let you know. It's a nice little tank though. Looks good. It's a German Panzer, and I've got a smaller version of this, but it's 1/72 scale. But this is the version I got that's 1/26 scale, and it's really kind of well made and has some nice details. You can get the little shackles back here, up and down, and seems to run pretty fast too. So I just wish it made sound. I don't know why it doesn't. So, and I'll look into it. But other than that, I guess I'm happy with it for the price I got it for. And I'll do some more, like some outside running videos of it later. So, but thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the RC Panzer tank 126 battle tank. And it does say there it's supposed to use battle music, whatever that is. Must be the noise, but I don't know. So you get what you get.